Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, in the question we are given that a skateboarder is moving on an arc. Here for part A we are assuming negligible friction. Here we will make use of conservation of energy principle, according to which energy at point A is equal to energy at point B. So here we have kinetic energy at point A plus potential energy at point A equal to kinetic energy at point B plus potential energy at point B. So this is equal to half m0 square. Initially, skateboarder is at rest plus mg, their height is r. This is equal to half mv square plus mg r minus r cos 40 degree. This distance CD. So here we can write this is equal to 0 plus mgr is equal to half mv square plus mgr minus mgr cos 40 degree. So here we get gr is equal to half v square plus gr minus gr cos 40 degree. Here we can cancel these terms, or we get here v is equal to under root 2gr cos 40 degree. Let us substitute the values. We get v equal to under root 2 into 9.81 meter per second square. G denotes acceleration due to gravity into radius 5 meters into cos 40 degree. Here on calculation we get v equal to 8.67 meter per second. Now for part B, here we have to consider a constant resistive force. So let us consider distance of curve AB. It is equal to curve AD plus curve BD. So here we have, let us denote curve AB by D. This is equal to, let us denote curve AB by D. This is equal to 1 by 4th times 2 pi r plus, here we have 40 degree divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So we get d is equal to 2 pi r divided by 4 plus 2 pi r divided by 9. This is equal to 2 pi r times 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9. We get 2 pi r times LCM 36. 9 plus 4. Here we have d equal to 2 pi r into 13 divided by 36. Here d is equal to 13 pi r divided by 18. So here using conservation of energy, we can write energy at point A is equal to energy at point B plus work done by resistive force. So we can write here potential energy at point A is equal to kinetic energy at point B plus potential energy at point B plus resistive force. Work done is equal to force resistive into displacement d. So here we can write this is equal to mgr is equal to half mv square plus mg r minus r cos 40 degree plus 10 into 13 divided by 18 pi r. So here we get 50 into 9.81 into 5 is equal to half into 50 into v square plus 50 into 9.81 into 5 into 1 minus cos 40 degree plus 10 into 13 divided by 18, 5 times 5. So here we can further simplify this as 2452.5 is equal to here 25 v square plus 2452.5 minus 2452.5 cos 40 degree plus 113.446. Here we can cancel this term and we get here for part B, V is equal to under root 2452.5 cos 40 degree minus 113.446 divided by 25. On solving, we get V equal to 8.40 meter per second. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.